18! Lights up!
All right, boys. Take care of your job, do everything that you're supposed to do, and add our flavor to it.
Nice. Let's just do what we do, man. We've been the best players on the field since we stepped out here. Let's keep doing it. RB's on 3. 1, 2, 3.
RB. Bring it tight. Lock arms right now. Lock arms right now. Enemy territory. Enemy territory. Right now. We've been waiting for this for a long time, boy. For a long time. Play for your brother. Play together. Execute. Effort. All day long. Let's go. Let's bring it. Double down 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. What the? Two down. 3 down. Right down. Right down. Right down. Best in the world on 3. 1, 2, 3. Best in the world.
Put the world on notice. 9-7.
Let's go.
Right now! Right now!
Hey! Hey! Yes! Yes!
How y'all boy coming out? How y'all boy coming out? I like that.
Big time, boy. Big time. Hell of a job.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, BA.
Got a tackle.
I know.
You want to trade?
I'm the only one tackle there.
Want to trade? 2 sacks for a tackle?
Hey, you got this
Hey, boy!
Hey, great blocks, man. Great.
Shout out, boy, baby.
It looked like hot.
Nice stop.
I saw you celebrating.
And then I went to go block for you.
Yeah, and I saw you on the
Okay, sold up right there.
I was telling you to slow down. I was looking trying to block for you, bro.
That was good enough.
That's all I care about. I'm trying to block. Shout out to the faithful, man.
Yeah, let that boy get it.
Let's go! Come on, Niners! Finish this thing! We came here to see this! We came for the W! Let's go! Yeah! Let's go!
I didn't get one of these.
You know, the thing is, like, Charlie and Dwelly kind of made it not cool.
Can we not do that anymore?
We can do that. I don't know.
I just feel like you have a microphone above your head. These guys are so thirsty for content. It hurts.
You know what?
I got your back.
That's why you're my dog, man.
On your shirt.
Hell yeah, baby! Thank you, man. Nice job, all y'all. That's 100. Go. Nice job, brother. Hell yeah, baby!
Hey, Chris.
That's the way to end it.
I've been creasing them all day.
Good to see you, big dog. Good to see you. Yes, sir. I'm out here, man. Good to see you, brother.
Oh, hey, the Niners are back. The season started. Niners get a win. McCaffrey's great. Debo's great. Ayuk's great. How much fun was that?
Hey faithful, don't forget to click here to subscribe to our YouTube.